Welcome to a visual expedition across the Indian subcontinent. India transforms into a spectacle of unparalleled beauty. Join us through towering mountains draped in mist, valleys blanketed in vibrant foliage, and deserts painted gold by the setting sun. Our journey begins in Kerala, where Munnar's hills rise like verdant waves against the azure sky. The air is heavy with the aroma of freshly plucked tea leaves. Be mesmerized by cascading waterfalls, their misty spray refreshing. Munnar in the fall is a sanctuary of tranquility. Gulmarg transforms into a pristine winter wonderland. Snowflakes blanket the landscape. Gulmarg awakens to adventure. The slopes beckon skiers. The gondola offers breathtaking views. Our journey takes us to Coorg, the Scotland of India. Rolling hills blanketed in emerald green coffee plantations. The air is cool, perfumed by coffee blossoms. A sensory delight that lingers. Captivating Darjeeling, nestled in the Himalayas of West Bengal. Terraced tea gardens with Mount Kanchenjunga. Sip Darjeeling tea, gaze at the Himalayas. Misty peaks add mystique. Fall in Darjeeling is a sensory delight. Stunning landscapes and warm local culture. Our next stop is Ooty, amidst the Nilgiri hills. Renowned for its lake, gardens, and mountain railways. Colonial architecture blends with natural beauty. Ride the historic Nilgiri Mountain Railway, through valleys and waterfalls. Create lasting memories in Ooty. Venture to Leh Ladakh, a region of stark beauty where towering mountains cast long shadows across a high-altitude desert. Ancient monasteries cling to cliffs, their prayer flags fluttering. Marvel at Pangong TSO and TSO Moriri lakes. Immerse in the unique culture of this remote region. Leh Ladakh will stay with you long after you've left. Our journey continues to the majestic Himalayas, where Shimla and Manali beckon adventurers. The thrill of skiing, paragliding, and trekking await. Prepare to be enchanted by Kodaikanal, the princess of hill stations. Dense forests, shimmering lakes, and the scent of eucalyptus and pine. Lose yourself in nature's tranquility. As the mist rolls in, Kodaikanal becomes a mystical wonderland. Experience the magic of Kodaikanal. Our journey takes us to the Thar Desert. Jaisalmer, the golden city, rises like a mirage. Experience a thrilling desert safari. Camp under the starry desert sky. Our final destination is Rishikesh, nestled in the Himalayas. The sacred Ganges River flows with spiritual energy. Adventure seekers enjoy rafting, bungee jumping, and trekking. Seek spiritual solace in ancient temples and ashrams. India awaits. Embark on your own adventure. From the Himalayas to the beaches, India offers captivating experiences. Adventure, tranquility, and culture await. Pack your bags, explore, and let India's beauty captivate you.